everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Chocolate Sprinkled Donut Quest Bar by Quest Nutrition. So, these famous protein bars have 200 calories per 60 grams, 8 grams of this being fat, 23 grams of being carbs with 14 grams of fiber. And that's one of the best things about a Quest bar. It's high in fiber, it takes a little bit longer to chew, but it does digest a little bit longer, so it'll keep you feeling full for a little bit longer than other protein bars might. Our sugar is only 1 gram. Protein is 20 grams, so a nice 20 grams with 200 calories. Pretty easy to track for macronutrients. Now, to get into the ingredients, we have a protein blend of milk protein isolate, whey protein isolate, maltodextrin, soluble corn fiber, which I'm not really a fan of for a carbohydrate source, but it also has almonds, water, erythritol, palm kernel oil, natural flavors, sodium caseinate, cocoa, sea salt, stevia, and a few other things. So a little bit of maltodextrin or corn byproduct in there. It's not my favorite, but I'm going to open this up, let you guys know what I think of the flavor. And it looks like a chocolate sprinkled donut. That's really cool. It smells like one too. First bite here. Well, that bite changed my opinion of Quest. Last time I had this, it must not have been as good. It was a little bit more hard to chew. This one's fresh. It's really nice. I'm actually quite impressed by that. It feels like a donut, chewy donut. Wow. I'll give it another bite and I'll give my review. This changed my mind. That tastes amazing. I am impressed by that. I was not expecting it to be that good. Usually when I have a Quest bar, it's a little bit harder. Not as chewy, but that was really well done. That tasted like a chocolate sprinkled donut. High fiber too, so I'm a big fan of that. So this will really depend on if you got your Quest bar fresh or if it's an older, a bit one that's been sitting around for a while, a little bit older. But I really did enjoy that. For flavor, I'm going to give that an 8.5 out of 10. I was anticipating a lower review. Like last time that I was going into this thing, I was going to give it a 6 for flavor because I've had these in the past, but this one was fresh. I'm really impressed. And a fresh one, 8.5, but an one that's been sitting around for a little bit too long. Maybe not expired, but getting close to its expiry date. Probably not going to be as good. Macronutrients. Quest bars do a really great job with that. They have 200 calories, 20 grams of protein, 14 fiber. I'm a big fan of the macronutrients in the Quest bar, so I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. And overall, this protein bar, I'm going to give an 8.5 out of 10. I was actually quite impressed by this. It does taste like what you see there. Like, what? They're really good when they're fresh. Good macronutrients. A very nice treat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time.